Hi there! In this lesson, we'll check out some handy attributes to simplify your coding. First up, serialize field lets you skip public easily. Then header, great for grouping fields in the inspector. Next, space, adds a clean gap between fields. Unmarked to hide in inspector, hides public variables from cluttering things up. Tooltip adds a quick note to your variable. For strings, text array makes editing a snap. My favorite, range, turns variables into sliders for easy tweaks. Lastly, serializable, a must-have for serializing classes or structs. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more.